like it's been forever since we have spoken. But the world has changed. Basically, I have just been hanging out at my house, just like everyone else in the world. Here's Ariel.
Hi.
She's skateboarding. So what have we been doing while quarantined? Well, I still work. I'm a nurse, so I work 3 days a week, and I work in surgery. We have been flying kites, skateboarding, cooking, playing a lot of video games, including Animal Crossing's New Horizons. Love it. If you love that video game, let me know below, because I am addicted. What else? Ariel's having a good time.
Hi.
Are you enjoying not being in school?
Yes. And I'm still calling my friends. So that's fun.
So Ariel has school daily for about 30 minutes with her teacher, and they go over all the information. First class, she gets to see her teacher and all her classmates at least once a day, so not too bad. And she has all her assignments. Granted, it's not as much as she was doing, but it is something. And that's it for that. What we want to introduce is our new series that I'm going to start putting on YouTube. Back in November, we went on a 16-night cruise. It started in Barcelona and it ended in Puerto Rico. The reason I haven't put it up yet is because I just started editing these videos when the pandemic started. And I didn't feel that it was right to post videos of traveling, especially on a cruise ship, without explaining when this cruise happened. All right. So the next video that you're going to watch is me, I think it was shot in September, introducing our cruise in November. And then following that, I think maybe like weekly, I'll post the videos from our cruise. I really hope that you enjoy it and it doesn't depress you too much in the fact that we can't travel right now. I hope that you enjoy it, and don't forget to subscribe. Ring the bell so that you get all the videos that we upload. All right, bye.
Na 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 na.